1979 Topps Philadelphia Phillies Burger King pack. There's 4 cards in this pack. We have Steve Carlton on the front or the back, whatever you'd like to say. And lots of great players in this set. You get Pete Rose and Mike Schmidt and many more. I mean, it's just a ton. Alright, well, I don't want to bend the corners on this, so I'm being a little careful. Here we go. We got them. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is this possibly could be Mike Schmidt underneath and Manny Trio. That's kind of how they've been going. No, it's not. Oh, we got Maddox. Okay. So we'll put him here. And Warren. All right. Those are our 3. And then this is the Burger King card. There's the Burger King. And actually pretty well centered. A little bit on that corner. But the card is pretty sharp. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. I'll keep doing this.